Hi friends, today I would like to tell you about my studio makeover, and I changed the rooms. So in our new apartment, we live now here 6 months I think, and I was in that room, and today me and my husband we changed with the rooms, and I will work in a big room and he will work in our small room. So for today I will make my changes in the studio. I will frame my paintings and put it to the walls. So let's do it together. So for today we will change something in my studio. I think it's a good idea to put more paintings in the frames and put it on the walls. So I think it's a good idea. I buy this big frame. It's wooden frame, but it's plastic, or no? Oh yes, with the glass. It's with the glass, okay. Because this one is with the paper. Glass. Okay. Previously, I framed this work and I create from myself the Postcards, this whiteboard. Of course, you know that when you're going to the professional atelier, it's looking much more better than this, but for cheapest and for quickest, because in Italy all is working very slow, I buy these frames from the website. This website you will find on the description for this video. And also I created this Postcards from myself, and of course this is my work. It's available, and also you can buy it from my website or write me directly. I think it's a good idea to frame my works and put it to the walls, because when I make my workshops or when I shoot videos for YouTube or for my Patreon, it will be really nice to have decoration with my art. It's very inspiring, and also for me it's something like, oh, I'm looking and I see what I created earlier, so for me it's really important to see my works also. In this big work I will not create the Postcards now, so I will put my painting here, and also I will have some small white part here also. And also this is my big folder. You can see that I can close it easily and take them to another place. And now I have a lot of works here, so they are like pressed together, and when I take my painting, it's really looking flat without any curves or waves, so it's really nice to save your artwork in big folders. It's looking really nice. And this is my work with the 56-76 centimeters, and the frame is 60-80, so it's like 40 centimeters, a little bit bigger. Okay. And I take paper tape and put it to the corners. I really love peonies. All the time I fell in love with them. So now my painting wouldn't go out. Okay, and we change the part here, and okay. Where is my special one? I think these changes are perfect for this place. Good morning. Today I have workshop. We will paint poppies. And also I would like to remind you that I have today's workshop in the end of the May, so follow this link and you will find information about this workshop. Also I have today's workshop in June, July and August. And if you would like have private class or private workshop, also write me on direct. So, hello guys, and now we will package some stick packs with the postcards. So I will show you how I do it, and also you will see my new stickers today. I'm preparing all them here, so I will show you now. All new stickers, and I will remember you how it works. You can follow me on my Patreon with a level with the postcards and stickers. So for today will be lemons, will be sunflowers, some orchids, beautiful hydrogenium with the peonies, and look at these poppies, so favorite. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and postcard. So you can follow me on my Patreon with the stickers level. Also on my Patreon you will find a lot of masterclasses, and on this week I asked my Patreons about what next masterclass they would like to have, and you see the girl with the sunflowers are now the win. So I will shoot new masterclass with the girl with sunflowers. So I think this month will be really floral and very inspiring for people who would like to paint not only flowers. Welcome to my Patreon channel. See you friends on next video on YouTube, and also let's paint together.